I've been asking them that. They know I watch 90 Day Fiance.
So now she giving him a welcome party, but her friend just will not let them.
Oh, the big girl?
Yeah, like, why you keep bringing up the cheating?
He never even cheated on her. And even if he did, like she said, he was in Jamaica. Anyway, guys, part 2 of liquid soap making, hot process. And we're going to pour in our lye solution. Let me turn this off for the time being.
I need to drink a water.
None. Don't take no chips from out of that box. That's from my nephew when he go to school. I guess my nephew. What's your favorite kind of Pop-Tarts? I like the cherry and the brown sugar. What kind of Pop-Tarts y'all like if y'all eat them? I'm gonna leave a poll at the top. Strawberry, cherry, brown sugar is good. What's another one that's good?
Fudge Sundae.
And fudge sundae. So you'll be able to vote from out of that. What's your favorite Pop-Tart out of those 4 choices? Strawberry, cherry, brown sugar, or fudge brownie, you said?
Yeah, fudge sundae.
Oh, fudge sundae. So, of course, we have to be patient with this, and I have to be even extra patient because there is a high olive oil count in here. And if you missed the first video when I gave my recipe, I'll give it again. I'll give it again on this video. It is 20% castor oil, 30% coconut oil, and 50% olive oil. I'm using 32% of water of the oil weight. And this is a very small batch. I'm just trying it out. And we did our cold process one. So we have that at a trace right now, and we're just trying to see how everything is going to go from there. And this one is the hot process.
Can I eat this?
So, eat what? No. Don't you see it sitting back there? Why would you ask me if you could eat it?
I got, you know what?
You better eat these daggone cookies and stop getting on my nerves. You got a tapeworm. That's what you got.
I'm trying to say something nice if Deborah will let me.
What you want to say, Bird?
Like I was saying.
I
gotta applaud all of y'all that make soap.
That's right. Pat yourselves on the back.
Yes, because I took college prep physics and chemistry, and I still would not do this.
Well, soap making is something you do because you love. Well, I know that's why I do it. I don't know about anybody else.
College prep science classes.
She said if she had to do liquid soap with the glycerin lye solution, that would be the only thing that she would make for the day. She wouldn't actually make the soap. It's taking too long for her. Unfortunately, I didn't let the glycerin get hot enough before I started putting in the lye. So now it's taking... Calm down. Trial and error. We live and we learn.
It's your fault.
We live and we learn.
Hello.
Okay, we're learning now. We're learning. So continue to learn and mix that up.
So what about that big box of chocolates then?
No, that's for Christmas.
Y'all giving chocolates out for Christmas?
No, we gonna eat that.
I'm coming over.
No. Yeah, we ain't gonna be here anyway. You can come with me to my friend's house.
Oh,
because we go over there every year. Yeah, they have all the food and all the liquor and all the good hors d'oeuvres. Shout out to Erica. See you in Christmas, girl.
Hey, girl.
Shania trying to sneak in.
I'm trying to sneak in and munch on one of these pickles that Deborah's sister not eating. Sharice, if you see this video,
she watched my videos too.
I ate your pickle.
So no, that's why your pickle's been dwindling down.
First of all,
we talking to my sister, guys. Her name is Sharice. Shout out, girl. Hey, girl. This starting to, you just told on yourself. This is starting to mix up. We have a little bit of separation, but we're going to continue to mix and stick blend. So I'm going to pause you guys because obviously it's going to be type boring. And we'll be back. If my camera pauses. Okay. So, that was to Shania. She said we cooking. So our glycerin is getting in. So that means I have to put up more oils to do this other soap. Which I'll probably make that one. The glycerin one will probably be another cold process. I have another bucket. But anyway.
You
use
that oil?
What oil?
That I was over there sniffing.
No, I
smell it. Is that coming off the...
It's probably coming off the bath bombs. That is Love Spell and then apricot. So I have the crock pot on low. So it's making the oils and everything get a little bit thicker. We do still have some separation, but that's expected. We're just going to keep bringing it back together until we get through all the stages. And then we'll start the real cooking process. And we brought Bella back out for this one, guys. My stick blender. Starting to get thicker, and then we're still at an applesauce type of stage. Pulse a little bit to try to bring it together a little more. But I'm going to let this first science fair gonna be lit. I'm gonna be all up in there.
Maybe I could send her over here and she can make soap.
That'll be cool. Have any of you guys ever done that for your kids during a science fair? Show them how to make soap? Let me know in the comments. Right now, let us mix this back up again. We're kind of at the mashed potatoes phase. You see? Sort of, kind of. Oh, it's getting thick. Oh, get girl.
I'm not even going to comment.
Look.
And I'm not even going to mention how this pot is starting to smell like a hot cone.
Yo, it do smell like that
Like
over
a
there.
hot cone.
All right, so you guys see how we're doing now. Mashed potato. I know some people on my channel are old enough to know what that dance is.
Don't know. You know what's funny? Before you started, I was about to say, ain't that a dance?
I thought you didn't know.
I don't know what it is, but I know it's a dance.
My mama be doing that.
I'm pretty sure.
She can show you. I'm telling you. Didn't I just tell you my mother watched these videos?
I'm pretty sure.
All right, watch. Is she gonna be like, okay, Shania?
The only way my mama doing the mashed potato is she had some Bacardi first.
Oh, we gotta get Karen lit. Tell your mother to watch my videos.
She only drink Bacardi.
She drink 151. It's too much for her. She drink what's that? Dragon I was about to say Dragon Tails. What's the name of it? It's Dragon something. Dragonberry.
No, she don't drink that.
Oh, she just drink the regular.
Yep, the original Bacardi.
The blue bottle or the red one?
The clear bluish looking one.
Okay.
Mm-hmm.
All right, guys.
I
So,
think we all had a crazy 151 story.
girl,
That's like Four Loko, but I've never had one.
you know what? I've had that.
A Four Loko?
Yes.
I've never had
But
one.
you know what happened? One of my ex-boyfriends,
Everybody
he used to drink them heavy, and I'm like, you better stop drinking that. Then they tell y'all that was this, that. So he like, all right, babe, watch. So one day I was at his house, we was chilling, had hookah, drinks, food, whatever. So he like, you want to drink? But he was being all slow with it, and I'm like, what's wrong with you? So he like, do you want to drink? So I'm like, yeah. So he made me a drink or whatever. Gives me the drink. So I was like, oh, this good. This tastes like Kool-Aid. I'm like, what you got in here? So he started naming all the liquor, and he was like, in Four Loko. I wanted to punch him in his face.
Never had a Four
I was like,
Loko
what? Oh my God, guys, look at what we have. But obviously, we're not done. Right now, we're at the point where it has to cook. See, Shania?
Let me do it. Let me do it.
All right, get them little pieces. Put them down here.
I don't want to. You know what this looks like?
What? Slime?
Not even to be gross, but right now my kid is on the verge of a cold. And she come home from school with the little hideaways in the corner and whatnot. And it's exactly what it looked like. Like when you go to toilet tissue up her nose, like it comes like this, you gotta drag it out.
That's nasty.
That's what this looks like. This also looks like it will burn severely if you were to throw a glop of this on somebody's face.
Bye. Told you, we're not murderers over here. We're soap makers. Keith don't even watch my channel. He gonna
watch this one.
Well, he gonna watch this one, so he has to subscribe. He don't have nothing to do. So we're going to put the lid on this, and we're gonna let this do its thing.
I'm not even gonna tell you that I melted your thing.
You melted what?
Huh?
You melted what?
I melted the bowl to the pot a little bit.
Oh my goodness. This is what happens when you don't have good help. Now I gotta make another trip back to the dollar store, get me another bowl. Oh boy. Alright guys, so it is almost 12 p.m. and we're gonna let this cook for about 3 hours. and hopefully we'll have our pace. I'm going to keep this on low, and I know they say you're not supposed to walk away from it, but I'm going to walk away because I need to sit down. This is batch number 2 of liquid soap making. So this is going to go to the side, and I will catch you guys in about...
on a sneak tip.
Yeah, on a sneak tip in about 3 to 4 hours. So maybe I'll come back tonight. I'm going to just let it cook on low. I'll come back tonight and show you guys how it's looking. So thank you guys for watching, and catch you in a few hours.